Hi boys and girls, you have your math test coming up for your 2D shapes, two-dimensional shapes that we've been learning all about. So we will do a quick review of the shapes. So here we have a circle. Here we have a hexagon, rectangle, square, triangle. And now we're going to talk about how many sides and vertices they have. So the first shape here is a square. We know that a square has all equal sides. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides on a square. And now let's count the vertices, or the points. I'm going to do that in a different color. I'll do that with pink. Let's count the points, the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. So the square has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Okay, now let's take a look at the rectangle. The rectangle looks a little bit like the square, but it looks like it's been stretched out, like it's longer. And what you can notice with the square is that the square has 2 sides that are longer than the other 2 sides. So not all sides are equal on a rectangle. Let's count the sides of the rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides on a rectangle. Now let's count the vertices, or the points. Some people call them the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices, or points, or corners on a rectangle. So this is the rectangle, and it has 4 sides, 4 vertices. And this one is the triangle. The triangle looks pretty cool. It looks like the top of a party hat or a roof of a house. Let's count how many sides the triangle has. 1, right here. 2, and the bottom makes 3. 3 sides on a triangle. Now, let's count the vertices, or the points, or the corners. 1 at the top. 2, there's one right here. And 3, one right here. So the triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices, or points. And that is why it's called a triangle, because the word tri actually means 3. Triangle. Now let's look at the circle. The circle is pretty cool because it has 0 sides, 0 vertices. It is just one continuous curve. It is a curve that just goes around and around and around. So a circle has 0 sides, 0 vertices, or points. And last we have a hexagon. Hexagon. Let's count the hexagon. Before we count the sides on the hexagon, I want to remind you that a stop sign is this same shape as a hexagon. So when you're driving in your car, I want you to look for stop signs and pay close attention to the shape, because they are the same shape as a hexagon. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides on a hexagon. Now let's count the vertices or points. Some people call it the corners. I'm going to do that with pink. Here's a point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vertices or points on a hexagon. So a hexagon has 6 sides, 6 vertices or points. And a fun fact for you is that's why it's called a hexagon, because hex actually means 6. Okay? All right, that's all that I have for you today. Do the best job on your test. I know you're going to rock it. See you later, alligators. Bye-bye.